Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping aggressively but efficiently. Sanitize, push cuticles, and buff lightly to remove the shine so the powder can grip. Once done, apply a thin base coat and cure per lamp instructions, 30-60 seconds for LED typically. Make sure to work one nail at a time. That prevents the base from fully curing before you press the metallic powder. You want a slightly tacky layer to transfer pigment, not wet drips or a fully hard surface. Next, take your metallic powder and a soft sponge or silicone tool and buff in small circular motions. This presses pigment into the tacky layer and creates mirror-like shine. You may do a quarter to a half pass initially, then build intensity with light layers. Too much pressure smudges, too little leaves streaks. Once the surface looks uniform, sweep away loose particles, then lightly apply a thin sealing layer of top coat to the edges, so the powder doesn't lift when you fully cure. To finish, apply a final full coverage top coat and cure fully under your lamp. Follow the product time exactly to avoid soft spots. Once cured, if the top coat leaves a tacky inhibition layer, wipe gently with alcohol when appropriate, or use a no-wipe top coat to preserve shine. If you see lifting or dull patches, don't panic. Slightly buff the affected area, reapply a thin base or top coat layer, rebuff the powder, and reseal. This corrects adhesion and restores metallic luster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.